Okay, so I left off with collecting the waste from the second level and taking it down to the first level. Let's look at this view and let's look at our plumbing view. Section waste. Okay. So yeah, so we have, it's gonna need a clean out here, it looks like. Let's go to second. So yeah, so a clean out is here. Let's just draw this sanitary. Do this, put a cap here. Let's see if we are counting fixtures. Counting fixtures. Well, I can go down here and see if we have fixture count. Okay, so we are counting fixtures. So the next thing, let's do these three and collect those and take it down to the first level. So what we need to do is connect into this that's a 2-inch, 1.5 inch. I need to change that to a 2-inch. So let's go here, let's go here, let's go here, and let's change all of this. Okay, so I think that I'm gonna go here. And we need all of this to be 2-inch. Control. Okay, so that's a 2-inch. This should be a 2-inch. Okay. And let's change that back. Let's do sanitary T. Okay. And sanitary T, 2-inch. This is not what I planned to do, but this is what happens when you go into the office and you see your work. And it's just typical par for the course, you know. What's going on here? Let's do this again. So I need sanitary T. Okay, that's all 2 inches. Okay, I don't like this fitting here. So that should not be a combination Y. That should be a standard. Okay, that looks better. Okay. So we collect from the second level and we're going to connect into this 2-inch pipe. Okay, and it is going to collect and first level we are collecting here and we're collecting there. Let's see, second level. So yeah, let's do that. Let's do something today. So that editing is it's gonna happen. You know, you see stuff, and I'm sure that as these lessons go on, modifications are just gonna happen. You know, it's just the way it is. Let's see here. Let's go here. So we have our, let's go through our plumbing. Okay, 1/2. And sanitary. Okay, I'm gonna make this go down just a little bit. Okay, and we're gonna change that to a P-trap. And I think what I'm gonna do, okay, so I'll just keep it at 1 1/2, and then I'll change it after this to a 2-inch. After that second lab, then I'll change it to a 2-inch. And from there we go down. Okay, so, and here again, there's a clean out back here. Do this here, put this cap on. Okay, I think that that should be a sanitary T. Okay, let's just do that. So we do these other two, practice, practice, practice. Okay, see if we can get some dynamic stuff going on. 1 1/2. Sanitary, sanitary. Everything looks good. Let's go down. Yeah, like that. Oops, hold up. Okay, let's start over. Here. Sanitary. Okay, I'm gonna put that there. And bring this over so we can get our trap in here. Now, let's see what's going on. Okay. And we can change that. I could go in and change all of these, you know, I could go in and change this type to a, right? I can change it to a T. Reducing sanitary, okay, okay. Where when I make this connection from this laboratory onto this pipe, it should default to the sanitary T, right? Where is my section? Where is my section? Here we go again. Okay, everything seems to be working well. Let's go here, like that. I'm gonna go there, put the P-trap in, okay, and just drag this guy. And we should get our sanitary T. Now, let's look at our section view. First, I'll need to rotate my section 90 degrees. Okay, because I want to look at the first and second level. Let's go here. First and second. Okay, so we're coming down. But before I do that, what I want to do is take one of these pieces, right? And we, man, here, we need to align. Before we do anything, I need to align, modify these pipes, right? So in order to do that, the pipe that I'm connecting to, I need to take that information and put it up here. Okay, let's go to second level and see how off we are. Okay, just a little bit. But we knew that was gonna happen, right? Yeah, okay, that's good. Now, I know I'm aligned with the second level and the first level. When I come down, I think this is gonna be a just the connection. So I'm going from here, where on the other side, right? Oh, wait a minute, let's go here, right? So I need to make this connection as an elbow on the other side. I needed to continue, right? Needed to continue and make this connection. Let's do that while I'm here. First level. Yeah, no, second level. Second level. Yeah, I need to make that connection. Let's make that connection. Let's see. But I need to rotate. Let's rotate this section a -90. Because I need to align one pipe to another pipe. Let's go to section and this pipe. Okay. Make sure everything's good. It should be because it's already there, right? So I'm going to do this and let's come up a little bit. I can always align that, but yeah, well, I might as well do that now, right? Align. What happened? First. What's going on? I have to go back. I know this I need to align here and here, but what's going on my section? Why is that not coming up? Why is this not? Let's try it again. So we got one pipe aligned to another pipe. Okay, now we got it. Okay, so we go here, here, yes. Go to the first level, make sure we got that connection. Okay, now let's go back. So that's done. Where's my section view? Let's go over, rotate 90, and here. And we can do the same thing. We're just gonna make an elbow at this connection, right? Because we know everything is aligned. Is aligned, okay. Okay, so everything looks good. Have we got fixture units? Yes, we have fixture units. Fixture units? Okay. How's it look? Okay. And we have, okay, fixture units. Yes. Okay. Let's see. Second level. So second level. Let's do this. Second level. Okay. So I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna stop here and pick up or collect my second level waste and have it run down, because I want to drop it here and go down to the first level and pick it up here. Okay, so I think I have enough room. Yeah, that's enough room. 4 inch should be okay. Okay, we'll see. All right, well, okay, I'll talk to you guys later.